Hi everyone, this is Mr. Richmond, and for this video I'm going to walk you through some examples of how to use the metric ladder when making metric conversions. So our first example, we have 2.0 meters is equal to how many centimeters? I'll give you a moment to give that shot on your own before checking the video. So if you recall, meters is where our base unit is for length, liters for volume, and grams for mass. If I don't see a prefix in front of the word, such as kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, and milli, those are all prefixes. If I do not see a prefix, I'm assuming that it is our base unit. So I have my base unit for mass, for length, that's meters, and I want to convert that into centimeters. So I'm starting with my base unit, meters for length, I'm going to convert to centimeters. So I want to bring the decimal point over to the right 2 place values to make my proper conversion. So in other words, I'm going to have 2.0 is equal to how many centimeters? Well, if I were to bring that to the right twice, it would be the equivalent of 200 centimeters, would be my final answer for that first conversion. Conversion number 2, I have 250 milligrams. I want to convert that to grams, so go ahead and give that a shot on your own. Alright, let's talk about how to make this conversion. So for milligrams, I'm going to start at this prefix. Grams does not have a prefix in front of it, so I know it is my base unit for mass. I want to move the decimal point to the left 1, 2, 3 times to get from milli to my base unit. So if I were to draw that here, the left 1, 2, 3 times, and that would be the equivalent of 0.25 grams. For number 3, I have 1,500 milliliters, and I want to convert that to liters. And for this one, I'm going to start at my prefix milli. I want to convert to my base unit liters. How do I know it's a base unit? I do not have a prefix in front of it, so liters is my base unit for volume. And I want to move the decimal point to the left 1, 2, 3 times to get from milli to my base unit. So if I were to do that on 1,500, here's my decimal point right next to my ones value. Move it to the left 1, 2, 3 times. That's going to be the equivalent of 1.5 liters. Number 4, I have 50,000 centimeters. I'm going to convert that to kilometers, give that a try. So for this one, I'm going to start off with my prefix centi. This is where I'm starting. I want to go to kilo, or kilometers. I want to move the decimal point to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 place values. So if my decimal point is right here next to my ones value, I'm going to move the decimal point to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's going to be the equivalent of 0.5 kilometers. Last one, I have 3.2 kilograms. I want to convert that to grams. So let's look at where I'm starting. I'm going to start at kilo. That's my prefix for kilograms. I want to convert that to grams. It's my base unit for mass. How do I know it's a base unit? It does not have a prefix in front of it. So I'm starting with kilo, going to my base unit. That means I want to move my decimal point to the right 1, 2, 3 times. So if I were to do that, 3.2, 1, 2, 3 times. I know that looks a little messy, but that would be the equivalent of 3,200 grams. I hope you found this video helpful, and good luck with the rest of your metric conversions.